Hey, it's Dan from QuikTap, and today we're going to take a look at the QuikTap Nitro setup. Your QuikTap Nitro setup comes with the QuikTap unit itself, an all stainless steel pathway, a 0 to 60 PSI regulator, ASA adapter, as well as a 15-foot coil hose with brass disconnects, as well as a ball lock regulator adapter. We've preset our primary nitrogen regulator at 50 PSI. We're going to take our connector, push up and engage. We're going to connect the longer whip to our QuikTap regulator and engage. We're going to turn on our bulk gas source. We're then going to set the PSI for coffee at 45. And we're ready to pour. Just want to give a shout out to our friends at Ferris Coffee for this keg of Nitro coffee. This is QuikTap. Cheers.